आपका क्वेश्चन है प्रूव बाय मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन फॉर स्मॉल n बिलोंग्स टू योर नेचुरल नंबर. What they have given a plus ar square plus so on ar to the power of n minus 1, that is equal to a r n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now first thing what we have to do, just we have to see that Pn is true or not. For that what we have to do, just we have to take full equation as Pn. So this is your Pn. And next step is that Pn should be true. We have to prove that Pn should be true. For that what we have to do, just we have to take n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. That means substitute this value 1 in place of n here. So what we will get, see this, a r 1 minus 1 is 0. That is equal to what? Any number whose power is 0 is 1. That means you will get a here. And here what you will get? See this? This is 0, 1, sorry. So here it will be a r minus 1 by r minus 1. This and this gone. That is equal to a. So now we can say Pn is true. Now we have to assume that n is nothing but it's a k. And k is nothing but your natural numbers. For that what we have to do? N is equal to k. N is equal to k. Now substitute this value in your equation. Here you will get a plus ar plus ar square plus so on plus ar k minus 1. That is equal to a into rk minus 1 by r minus 1. That we have done. Now we have to, here it is true. So now we can go for Pn is true, that means Pk is also true. Next step is that we have to go for k plus 1 is true or not. Pk plus 1 is true or not. For that what we have to do, just we have to add k plus 1 in front of this. So it will be just like this, a plus ar plus ar square plus so on ar k minus 1. Instead of k we have to write k plus 1 now. So here it will come a r k plus 1 minus 1, this and this gone. So here comes k only. And if you put the value, what you should get? Put the value here, k plus 1, what you should get? So here you will get what? A r k plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. This you should get it, if it is true, by solving your LHS. But we know that all black one, what we have written in black letters, that is equal to this value. Just substitute it. So here you will get a r k minus 1 by r minus 1. And here comes a r k plus a r k. Now take the LCM. So LCM is r minus 1. Here comes a r k minus 1 plus a r k into r minus 1. Now solve this. What you will get? Just see that. So if you solve this, what you will get? What we will get? We will get a r k minus 1 plus a r k into r minus a r k, this one, by r minus 1. If you see this, what you can get it? All three equations, what you will get it? What you will get? If you see this and this and this, what you will get? You can see r is here. That means here it will be what? K plus 1. So it will be a r k minus 1. And here it will be plus a r k plus 1 minus a r k, a r k. Now can we take anything? Solve this also by r minus 1. That is equal to, now you can take a r k minus a plus a r k plus 1 minus a r k. This and this common, plus and minus common, and here comes your r minus 1. Now take a as common. So here you will get what? A as common. So here you will get r k plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. Now you can see this is your LHS and RHS is this. That means both are equal. Therefore we can say p k plus 1 is also true. Therefore, we can write it as what? Pn is true for all and belongs to your natural number. Like this we have